Adding the DSers extension to your browser can enhance your dropshipping experience by allowing for efficient product import and order management directly from platforms like AliExpress. Here's how to do it. Choose your browser. The DSers extension is available for Chrome and Firefox. Open the browser you prefer to use. Visit the extension store. For Chrome, go to the Chrome Web Store. For Firefox, visit the Firefox add-on site. Search for DSers. In the search bar, type DSers to locate the official extension. Install the extension. Click on the DSers extension from the search results. Then, click the Add to Chrome or Add to Firefox button. Confirm any prompts to complete the installation. Log into your DSers account. After installation, click on the DSers icon in your browser toolbar. Log in with your DSers credentials. Start using the extension. Once logged in, you can use the extension to quickly import products from AliExpress to your DSers account, manage orders, and streamline your dropshipping operations.